All right, guys, step one. So this air little bumper cover, it's actually a tow hook cover, but it's called a bumper cover in your instructions. You're gonna pop that off. How do you pop that off to get to these outer bolts? I'll show you on this side. I left one for you. I'll set this up so you guys can see. Let's see here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get your little fingers right in here and right in here. So I reach on the inside and you pop, see, just pop free. Pop there. This is a little harder pop. You've got to get your fingers under here. And pop off. And pop off. There you go, boys and girls. Pretty easy. Your look. We're gonna be cutting some holes here. Just slots, basically. It's pretty easy. Not just one of those things that we'll have to do. That way it gives it more finished look. You could cut this whole thing off if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna cut a slot here. So I'm gonna leave these right here. These bolts in here. I was fooled. Instructions told me 19, these are, let's see, 18. Not hard, I'm gonna use an impact gun to take them off. There's a little brace behind it. You don't want it to drop down. So be careful when you're doing it. But we'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna cut some slots first.